In a world obsessed with perfection, there's profound beauty in the imperfect. This is the philosophy of wabi-sabi, finding grace in the incomplete. Like kintsugi, where broken pottery is mended with cold, scars become art. Each crack tells a story, making the object more unique, more precious. In the ancient art of sumo, defeat is not an end, but a teacher. Wrestlers fall, they rise, they bow, embracing every lesson learned. Each loss is analyzed, ritualized, respected, shaping their path to mastery. It's in these almost victories that true strength is forged. Observe the apprentice geisha. Her movements precise, yet not quite perfect. Her dedication, the endless repetition, a quest for elusive mastery. And the sushi master, his hands graceful, a subtle contemplation. He seeks a perfection that forever remains just beyond his grasp. Their journey is the art, the pursuit itself, a beautiful struggle. Even in decay, there's a haunting beauty, a melancholic charm. Abandoned theme parks, monuments to forgotten dreams, reclaimed by nature. Vines embrace rusted rides, faded paint whispers tales of joy. Here, urban explorers find art in ruin, stories in silence. The not quite realized dreams hold a unique, poignant allure. Late-night convenience stores, a quiet refuge in bustling cities. Simple meals eaten alone, yet a shared solitude connects us. It's a uniquely Japanese phenomenon, neither here nor there. Finding comfort in these small and perfect, yet perfect moments. Cherry blossoms, a breathtaking spectacle, yet fleeting, ephemeral. Their beauty is in their transience, the almost perfect timing. Petals fall too soon, carried by the wind or gentle rain. This poignant impermanence makes their memory even more cherished. 1,000 origami cranes, a wish for peace, for hope. But it's the 999th, the one almost complete, that truly resonates. The unfinished journey, the ongoing effort, holds profound significance. For in the not quite, in the beautiful failure, we find our truth. Embrace the imperfection, for it is where true beauty lies.